Hello, I am Chitaranjan Mahapatra. Today's topic is agricultural sector. Agriculture is derived from the Latin word ager, which means soil, climate, or farming. The answer is soil. Its meaning also farm, field, plain, terrain, and country. Number two, agriculture and allied sector is coming under the dash sector of economy. A primary, B secondary, C tertiary, D none of these. And the answer is primary. Forestry and fishing is also coming under agriculture and allied sector. At the time of India's independence, this sector had the biggest share in the gross domestic product of India. It was around 57.7% of GDP in 1950 and 51. It is also the largest private sector occupation in India. Manufacturing and industrial sector is coming under the gas sector of our economy. A primary, B secondary, C tertiary, D none of these. And the answer is secondary. The secondary sector is the part of the economy that transforms the raw materials into goods for sale or consumption. That is heavy manufacturing, light manufacturing, food processing, oil refining, and energy production. The tertiary sector is the part of the economy that involves the sale or trade of services instead of goods like banking, insurance, shipping, etc. Agricultural crop year of India falls every year in between January 1 and December 31, April 1 and March 31, May 1 and April 30, July 1 and June 30. The answer is July 1 and June 30. Financial year of banks April 1 and March 30. Financial year of RBI in between July 1 and June 30. Which is the same crop, which is the first crop season in India? Kharif, Rabi, Jain, none of these. It's Kharif. The agricultural crop year in India is from July 1 to June 30. The Indian cropping season is divided into two main seasons, Kharif and Rabi. Kharif means autumn in Arabic. This question was asked in KBC also. This period coincides with the beginning of autumn in the Indian subcontinent. The monsoonal sowing season is called the Kharif period. Means it is harvested at the time of autumn, but it is sown in rainy season. The Kharif cropping season is from July to October in India. Rabi crops are sown in winter and harvested in the spring in India. The term is derived from the Arabic word for spring. Rabi means spring in Arabic, which is used in the Indian subcontinent, where it is the spring harvest. Rabi crops are also known as winter crops. The stock position of food grain in central pool is known as contingency fund, central pool, buffer stock, and consolidated fund. The answer is buffer stock. The other definition of buffer stock is a reserve of a commodity that can be used at the time of crisis. Marginal holding farmer means the farmer whose land holding is in between dash sectors 0 and 1 hectares, number B 1 and 4, C 2 and 4, D 4 and 10. And the answer is marginal holding farmer means the farmer whose land holding is in between 0 and 1 hectare. Below there is the list of the farmers, types of farmers and their land size. Marginal holding farmer um, have less than 1 hectare, small holding farmers in between 1 to 4 hectare, in between 1 and 4 hectares, medium holding farmers in between 4 and 10 hectares, large holding farmers more than 10 hectares. Viticulture is the production of coconut, grapes, cocoa, apple. The answer is grapes. Yellow revolution is related to spice, oilseed, fruit, egg. And the answer is oilseed. List of revolutions. It is very important for examination point of view. Golden, horticulture. Blue, fish. Golden is also honey. Gray, fertilizer. Silver, egg. It is very important. Silver is related to egg. Revolution is related to egg. Brown, potato. White, milk. Green, food grain. In the case of wheat and rice, it is most successful. Black petroleum. Who is known as the father of Green Revolution? William Gantt, Robert Hooke, Dmitry Mendeleev, and Norman Borlaug. And the answer is Norman Borlaug. Okay, let's have some more information about the other persons. William Gantt was a scientist. Was a scientist. In 1958, the production of wheat in India increased from 120 million ton to 170 million ton. So he told that that was the period of the starting of Green Revolution. As we know, Robert Hooke was the discoverer of cell. Mendeleev is the father of periodic table. Let's have some more information regarding Norman Borlaug. He was an American agricultural scientist. He introduced HIV seed with modern agricultural production techniques to Mexico and India. Wheat yields nearly doubled in India in mid 1960s. Borlaug was often called the father of Green Revolution, and he was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize in 1970. 1 hectare of land equals to dash acres. 2.471 acres, 2.971, 3.471, and 3.971 acres. So the answer is 2.471 acre. Sericulture is the production of honey, fish, potato, silk. And the answer is silk. Production of silk is known as sericulture, production of honey is known as apiculture, and production of fish is known as pisciculture, which is not a kharif crop. Cotton, sugarcane, mustard, groundnut. As you know, kharif crop needs a lot of water. Mustard is not a kharif crop. This page is very important. Generally, it comes in examination. Examples of kharif crops: rice, jawar, bajra, maize, cotton, sugarcane, sesame, soybean, and groundnut. Examples of rabi crops: wheat, barley, gram, rapeseed, and mustard. What is the full form of CCA in agricultural sector? A. Cultivable command area. B. Cultivable command area. C. Cultivable cooperative area. D. Cultivable cooperative area. And the answer is cultivable command area. Cultivable command area is the area which can be irrigated from a government scheme and is fit for cultivation. Who was the first agriculture minister of India after India's independence? Means after August 15, 1947. Option A, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. B. Jagjeevan Ram. C. Rajkumari Amrit Kaur. D. B.R. Ambedkar. And the answer is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. List of ministers in first Nehru ministry. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was Food and Agriculture Minister. Jagjeevan Ram was Labor Minister. Rajkumari Amritkar was the Health Minister, and B.R. Ambedkar was the Law Minister. Indian Robusta is a special variety of Indian gas. Option A, tea, B, coffee, C, mango, D, coconut. And the answer is coffee. The other renowned variety of coffee in India is Arabic. In 1670, coffee production in India was started in Gas Hills of Karnataka, Cardamom, Nilgiri, Satamala, Baba Budan. And the answer is Baba Budan. According to legends, an Indian Muslim saint, Baba Budan, brought 7 coffee beans from Yemen to Mysore in India while returning from Mecca. He planted them on the Chandragiri hills, now named after the saint as Baba Budan Giri of Karnataka. Number 19. Which is an irrigation benefit scheme for the agricultural sector in India? Option A, AIBP, B, KCC, C, NAIS, and D, APMC. And the answer is AIBP. Let's check what is the full form of AIBP. The full form of AIBP is Agricultural Irrigation Benefit Program, which was launched in 1996 and 1997. Its objective is to extend assistance for the completion of incomplete irrigation scheme. The full form of KCC is Kisan Credit Card, NAIS is National Agricultural Insurance Scheme, APMC is Agricultural Produce Market Committee. And the last question is, who is known as the father of white revolution in India? A. Varghese Kurian, B. M.S. Swaminathan, C. Jagdish Chandra Bose, D. Sharad Pawar. And the answer is Varghese Kurian. He was known as the father of white revolution in India. He was also the founder of Amul, Anand Milk Union Limited, and its head office is in Anand in Gujarat. If you like this video, please share our videos and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching this video. You can find me at edusuccessmantra@gmail.com. Thanks again for watching this video.